This video explains how to buy shares of First Horizon Corporation, a regional U.S. bank offering commercial and consumer banking services listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FHN. This is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and type the ticker FHN to locate First Horizon Corporation. Select the matching result carefully to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the FHN ticker match before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit money before confirming. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A gentle reminder, the example eToro link is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.